Prophet Ngundeng's pyramid or beer was built in 1800s by Prophet Ngundeng himself. And the pyramid itself was surrounded by many numerous elephant tusks or ivories. In the 19th century, when the Nuer people or the Nuer resistance, the time they had clashes with the Anglo-Egyptian or condominium rule in Sudan. That time when they had clashes, the pyramid itself was the political symbol for the resistance of the Nuer. That was the reason why the British people blew it up. But before they blew the pyramid up, there were prophetic relics or holy relics which were looted by the British administration in Upper Nile province. One of them was the arrow or dung, the Nuer call it dung, and another one was pipe, which they call tongue, and predominantly the drum was taken also. Those were the three holy relics which were taken from the pyramid where Prophet Ngundeng was buried. But after long years, the drum was kept in Khartoum Museum, and dung and tongue were taken to UK to be kept in the museum there. Then in 1978, the drum was returned to Via or pyramid in Upper Nile in Wat, where Ngundeng's pyramid was built. And after 8 years, in 2009, Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president of South Sudan, requested the British government to bring the regalias back to where they belong. The British government delivered the regalias back to their rightful place in 2009.